Hello again. Just a little update. I got that cleaned up a little bit. As you can see, you can now see the coil and the governor. Oh, governor. Anyway, I've took the tank off because the tank and the carburetor is joined on. And to do that, all you do is you take that bolt out there and this bolt here, which holds the tank and the pull start on. It just pushes onto that bit. That's your breather, and that's your intake there. I'll show you the tank. Hang on. Yes, that's the handlebars. Funky, eh? Hang on. Right. As you can see, there's a lot of crap on that. But it doesn't look too bad in there, really. So what I'm going to do is hire a bit of bog roll in there, clean all this off somehow. See, there's your breather pipe there. It should look oily, because it's what it is. It's oil heat, making your engine run. And as you can see, it's bolted to the tank. What's better than that, man, eh? Having a carb attached to your tank, rather than having pipes that can go wrong. They are a good make, these, like. So the next time you see this, either the carb will be off, and I'll show you how to clean it, or it'll be back on again, cleaned. I should maybe show you how to clean it, like. It's just, I can't pause my video for very long, and, well, that's going to take a bit of cleaning, like. Haven't decided what with yet. I'll maybe just brush it off and use a bit of bog roll on a screwdriver, just so I don't scratch it all and that, because it's all the original painting, like, you know. The lid's a bit seized on, so I think this thing's been ran brilliantly for 30 years, well looked after, and sat for 30 years doing nout. So it's a good job I came along, isn't it? To make it feel wanted again.